What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Epic Games Launcher. So once you're inside the Epic Games Launcher on your computer, guys, you want to click your account on the upper right. You can see it right here. Then from here, go into the settings and here you will find if there's a new version available of the application, then you will see where it says like restart and update. So you just want to go ahead and do that. Click it and it will go ahead and restart and update. Keep in mind that you need to have an active internet connection, of course. As you can see, I have an internet connection right here. And so this is something that's going to be required for you to have on your PC for it to download the latest version of the application and allow you to update Epic Games Launcher, right? So once it is done, guys, you will see that you have Epic Games Launcher ready to use again on your PC. As you can see right there for a moment, it's, let's say, loading up, but it's pretty much ready for me to use once more. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.